Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Yazio and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. Then you can uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.